Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and I do videos inspiring women in all aspects of their daily lives, from makeup to parenting to cooking to marriage, all that kind of stuff. And today we're doing a little bit of cooking. We're going back to keto. It's been a hot minute since I've done a keto recipe. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so today we're gonna do something short and sweet. We're gonna make some green bean fries. Now listen, there is no substitute for fries on the keto diet. There's nothing. I've tried every vegetable under the sun in my grocery store. None of them taste like fries. Don't let anybody fool you. However, you can get kind of that sense of having some fries or having something that is at least delicious, even though it doesn't taste like a potato. Okay, so green beans, my entire family hates them. They don't like them at all, unless I make them like this. So I'm gonna show you how to make a keto fried green bean that you can dip in ranch or in whatever your favorite dip is, some sugar-free ketchup, whatever, and it kind of gives you the fry, kinda, but it's still good. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is regular pork rinds crushed up. I use a whole bag. Then I get the hot and spicy ones, crush those up. I just use a NutriBullet and crush it up. And then I add a Parmesan cheese. So it's kind of 1/3 of each. Throw it in a bowl, mix it together. I use this kind of coating on lots of stuff, chicken, fish. I'll add in different herbs, things like that to kind of change up the flavor. But that's basically the base that I use for most of my breading type stuff. So once you get that all mixed up, then you're gonna get some eggs and whip those up. I also used a NutriBullet for this, and so it looks a little bit frothy, but you can use egg whites in the carton. You can just whip up eggs with a whisk, whatever. So then you're gonna take fresh green beans and cut off the ends, break off the ends, whatever you wanna do. You're gonna dump those into the eggs and get them all nice and coated. Dump them into your coating, get those all nice and coated, and then just put them on a sheet or tray or whatever to get ready to fry. You can use whatever kind of oil it is that you like to use that can tolerate heat up to about 340. And you don't need a deep fryer. I just like this because it regulates the temperature of the oil and I don't get it too cold or too hot. But you can do this on the stovetop, and if you've got a thermometer to regulate the heat, or you can just eyeball it, that'll work as well. So in batches, you're gonna fry those up. These don't take a long time, but get them slightly on the darker side so that they do have a nice crisp to them. Some of the coating does fall off, but you get enough left to where it's got a nice little crisp. If you've ever had deep fried zucchini, it's kind of like that. And you can do that, by the way, with zucchini. You can do this exact same process, do it with zucchini or whatever is your favorite vegetable. It will work that way. But for green beans, it's kind of more of like the fry look and stuff. So once those are done, you just dip them in your favorite dip. And that's it. It is super easy, fast. I mean, it's a little messy, I guess, but it really doesn't take that much time and effort, and it is delicious. But, you know, I can say it's delicious. My husband can say it's delicious. Let's test it with the kids' test. Spicy pork rinds, regular pork rinds, Parmesan cheese, egg batter, and deep fried. And some ranch. Good? Good way to eat some veggies, right? Do you like green beans any other way? Not really, right? Yeah, all right. Thumbs up. So there you have it. It's kid approved, adult approved, keto approved. There's no grain in it, no sugar, and it's, you know, pretty good for you. So give this a shot and let me know in the comments what you think of it. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel, and share it with any of your friends that you think might be interested in this recipe. This is great even if you're not on keto. It's just a yummy way to have some green beans. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.